Hello, my name's Colin Eaton and I'm the audiologist here at Honiton Hearing Centre. I'm guessing this morning you've locked in because you're having problems to hear on the television, or hearing quiet voices, or the children when they're talking as they're running away from you and you're trying to catch them as they're running down the garden. I'm basically going to talk to you first thing about our hearing tests that we offer here. We offer two types. The first one is a full frequency free hearing test, which we use for screening purposes. That will help us evaluate exactly what your hearing level is. We can then, if we need to, carry out a full hearing test later on at a later date, including speech and speech in noise testing. And from that we can sit down with you and work out prescriptively exactly what you may need with regards to hearing instruments to help you progress with your hearing and hear the family and get back engaged with life. The time taken for the free screening test is normally about 20 minutes. We would normally sit down afterwards and explain the results to you and start talking preliminary details about the type of hearing instruments that may be acceptable to you. Then we can further refine that at a later time to give you a further explanation of exactly where your results are when we've carried out a full in-depth patient history, video otoscopy and a full screening and evaluation. Like on the screen behind me, from these graphs we can prescribe exactly what you're going to be needing in correlation with your lifestyle needs, so that you walk away with something that you're happy with and that is going to work for you in your life. Please give us a phone and make an appointment to come and see us for your free full frequency screening test, and then we can start talking about getting you on the road to better hearing from there.